My name's Sue Grant from Berthon. Just a short introduction for the walkthrough of NIMROD, the Martin 80, which was taken just after a service period in Palma de Mallorca, carried out by our service team at Berthon, Spain. She is extraordinary, built of exotics with a carbon rig. She's never looked better. Have a watch. Thank you. Hi, I'm Sue Grant, and today we're having a look at NIMROD, which is a Martin 80. She's here in lovely, gloriously sunny Palma de Mallorca, and she's just been relaunched after a service period with Berthon, Spain. She's got a retractable gangway, and we're going to step on board and have a good look around. She was originally built at Martin Marine down under, designed by Judel in 2001. She had a big refit in the UK in 2012 and again in 2022, which was when she had this lovely new teak deck, which is 22mm. She also had full paint, so that's hull and superstructure. You can see it's looking very good. And she had her rudder dropped and lots of other jobs done, and she is looking absolutely amazing. At the same time, her amazing carbon rig from Martin was dropped, all the rod was replaced as necessary, and she had new running rigging. And you can see here she's got Reckman furling at the front. That was fully serviced. All of the pipes were changed as needed. You're just looking, there's some wet on the deck. She's just come in and berthed. She's got a hydraulic Maxwell windlass, and the anchor, it retracts, and there's gear for that under deck, all stainless steel, Manson anchor. Beautiful, beautiful rig, carbon spinnaker pole. The sails are all quite current. There's new main and Genoa 2024 by Zeoli Sails. Lovely clear deck. Lumar winches, all powered. All looking very fresh. See that fixed screen? That works so well for blue water. And she's got a custom hydraulic leisure furl in-boom mainsail system. Just getting ready for her new summer season. Keel bolts were checked last year. All the galleries were removed in the keel and all made good. The owners have absolutely loved owning this boat and have had her since they bought her in 2012 and had the first refit carried out, which included taking the engine room completely to bits and rebuilding all of that. She's got a lugger 250 which had a rebuild. She's got a large Onan generator, it's 22.5. That was replaced in the refit. AC/DC wiring, you name it, it was done. Lovely clear decks. Great family boat, and of course she's carbon composite, so she's actually very fast. In the transom you've got these gin and tonic seats, and you've also got this enormous boot, aft lazarette. Loads of storage in there. She's got a Zodiac 3.4 metre rib as well. All the safety gear is in date. and she has the most beautiful connection between the helm and the entertaining or the guest cockpit. Twin wheels, they're in teak and carbon. She had a complete rebuild of all of her electronics 2012. Raymarine at the core of it. She's got 4 of these E120s. Retractable bow thruster. As you can see, she's got controls for the engine on both pedestals, so she's interchangeable. And then down into the main cockpit. Really good vision, very well protected. High gloss varnished tables, you can see your reflection in. All of the bimini cockpit cushions and so on replaced 22. She's got full electronics at the companionway. And in a minute we'll have a look downstairs. Okay, so lovely wide steps down, Peter Sim designed interior, enormous main saloon, very light and airy, all in teak, with lots of nice detailing. And we'll have a look at the business end, the galley, which leads onto the crew accommodation. Corian surfaces. Very easy to work in the right part of the yacht. And then we walk forward into the crew accommodation, which is very spacious, lots of storage, light and airy, all of the same standard as the rest of the yacht. Nice large heads compartment, a separated shower stall. All of the mirrors were replaced 22, and all of the heads were repainted, so they are looking very much as they did when she came out of the yard. Light, bright, easy to keep clean. Another Raymarine screen here, work desk for the crew, access onto the deck. Great berths for passage making. Or in port, of course. LED throughout. And I love the detailing on the doors, very nicely done. It's replicated on the locker there. And then we'll have a look in the galley. Massive work surfaces, lots and lots of storage. She's got Villeroy and Bosch china in the cupboards. This is a Neff cooker, ceramic hob, fan assisted, big extraction fan, which is a feature as well as being very practical and keeping all of those smells out. Big refrigeration just to your left. Proper working chef's galley. Twin sinks. Filtered water system. Very well thought out. A lot of work done to this in 2012 and it's been kept up. And we'll have a look at the port guest cabin. Large upper and lowers. Lots and lots of storage. Again, another lovely heads compartment with a separated shower stall. All in immaculate condition. There's no verdigris or any unpleasantness anywhere. We've known this yacht for a long time and she really has never looked better. She's VAT paid in the UK. And both her refits were done at HYS in Hamble. And back into the main saloon. I always think of these two bucket seats when I think of NIMROD. They work really well, and this is a great entertaining table. Beautiful piece of joinery. And then another nice seating area on the starboard side. And then hidden away you've got a bar with a store for wine. And then the chart table is the other side. Nice joinery detail on the top of the counter. And then we're going to walk back into the second guest cabin. Two generous single berths. Lots of wardrobe space. And then, of course, we're into the heads compartment, separated shower stall, in the same style as the other heads compartments. The accommodation is great for long-term cruising, where all guests can be very comfortable for long periods of time. And then out of here, and we'll just have a look at the nav station. Now on the desk you'll see a NIMROD manual which is 300 pages and tells you everything there is to know about this yacht. Farino kit, rewire remember 2012. She's got Wi-Fi and Inmarsat Sailor 150. And then we'll walk down the passageway, engine room to your right. We'll do a short video on that at a later date. And then into the owner's heads, again like the other three, separated shower stall. Absolutely vast. Natalie from Berthon Spain is doing this video, so give her a wave. Heads there. Very spacious. And then into the owner's stateroom. The door to it is before you get to the heads, and this is vast, light, bright, ports in the hull, large double to port, and to starboard a sofa which is also a single berth for passage making if that works better. Masses of storage, very nice detailing on the joinery. Entertainment in this cabin. Great place to spend time. course, she's fully air conditioned. That was rebuilt 2012 and has been kept in good order. And then back, down the passageway, past the engine room, and back up into this fabulous main saloon. NIMROD, Martin 80, fantastic cruising yacht.